Hello beauties. Do you want to lose weight fast while getting that natural glass skin glow? Imagine a diet that not only melts fat but also transforms your skin from dull to radiant. Today on Beauty Unlocked, I'll share a glowing skin diet plan that works for both your body and your beauty. And trust me, these are simple foods you can start today. So stick with me till the end because I'll give you the full step-by-step plan from morning to bedtime. And don't forget, hit subscribe and join our Beauty Unlocked family for more skin health and wellness secrets. 1. Morning routine. Glow starts here. Start your day with kesar water. Soak 2 saffron strands overnight. Boil it in the morning. Benefits: suppresses appetite, boosts collagen production, gives a rosy glow. Alternative: aloe vera juice, 1 to 2 tsp in lukewarm water. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, heals pigmentation, tanning, and brightens skin. Why it works: both are collagen boosters and detoxifiers, giving your skin a fresh start daily. Transition: once your body is cleansed and glowing from the inside, let's move to the most important meal of the day, breakfast. 2. Breakfast options. Beauty boosting meals. Option 1. ABC juice, apple plus beetroot plus carrot. Rich in vitamins A and C, detoxifies, brightens dull skin. Option 2. Coconut water plus berries or kiwi hydrates, reduces pigmentation and dark spots. Option 3. Almond milk with fruits, add a few drops of almond oil, moisturizes skin internally. Pair with apples or a fruit bowl. Option 4. Protein breakfast. Eggs plus green tea, 3 boiled eggs or veggie omelette paired with antioxidant rich green tea. Pro tip: avoid sugar, keep it light, clean and nutrient packed. 3. Mid-morning snack and pre-lunch glow boost. Snack: Haleem seeds water or chia seed water. Rich in fiber, calcium, protein. Improves digestion. Glowing skin starts in the gut. Pre-lunch: apple cider vinegar water, 2 tsp in lukewarm water, 30-40 minutes before lunch. Curbs appetite, boosts metabolism and burns fat. 4. Lunch options. Balanced beauty meals. Option 1. Beetroot oats, roti plus sabzi fiber rich, full of iron, vitamin C, skin glow plus weight management. Option 2. Salmon curry plus brown rice plus vegetable salmon equals omega 3s plus protein, skin moisture plus anti-aging. Brown rice pulao with broccoli, carrots, green peas is antioxidants plus gut health. Option 3. Quick protein meal paneer bhurji or egg bhurji plus multigrain bread. Why this works? Balanced protein, fiber and antioxidants means slimmer body plus radiant skin. 5. Mid-evening snack. Beauty pick-me-up matcha tea. 10x more antioxidants than green tea. Detoxifies, boosts metabolism. Pair with 5 soaked almonds plus 1 piece dark chocolate. Sugar cravings controlled. Alternative: apple cinnamon detox water for extra cleansing. 6. Dinner options. Light and nourishing. Option 1. Grilled boiled veggies. Broccoli, tomato, cucumber. Rich in vitamin E and folate, perfect for skin repair. Option 2. Lemon coriander soup light, no corn flour, packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Why light dinner? It reduces bloating, supports digestion and promotes clear skin overnight. 7. Bedtime drink. Overnight glow secret chamomile tea. Relieves stress, improves sleep, essential for glowing skin. Or ajwain, jeera tea. Reduces bloating, water retention, helps digestion. Golden rule: 7 to 8 hours of beauty sleep equals natural skin rejuvenation. Don't forget, 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day for hydration and toxin flush. And that's your full glowing skin diet plan with weight loss benefits. Simple, natural, and powerful. Try it for 2 weeks and see your body slim down while your skin glows like never before. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty Unlocked for more beauty, skincare, and wellness hacks. Comment below with your favorite meal from this plan. I'd love to know what you're trying first. Thank you for watching.